Okay, so if you're working 9 hours a day designing carousels for a brand for free, congrats, you're not an intern, you are just cheap labor. Let's talk about why 90% of the design internships in India are a scam and how you can avoid them. This is India's fastest growing design community's YouTube channel called Designare. We're going to be covering 3 main pointers with my personal takes. I am Vansh Agarwal. I'm the founder of this design community and I have done freelancing for the past 4 years and I have done all the things that you are doing right now. Okay, so point number 1. Intern is equal to worker but paid less or not at all. This is the harsh truth of India and I think this is being done for a lot of years recently, and I have seen, like, when you go on LinkedIn and you just see in this time frame of May to July and even August, there are a lot of companies who just start to hire interns at very minimum cost, and you as a innocent designer just wants to get some work under their belt and you fall for them, and then you come to our Discord and yap about why my internship was so awful. See, I think internships are supposed to teach, and whatever internship you have done or you are trying to look for an internship, you know what really happens is you are being a production machine and you are designing the not so important things about the company, or it can be anything related to design, but your senior designers, who are your managers also for your internships, never really give you exact feedback and never really involve you in the main product that you want to work for. You're not being mentored, my friend, you are being milked. You know, I've seen like so many designers come into our Discord server and just talk about and just showcase what they are designing, and they are doing an internship. They are doing a UI UX internship. I won't take names of any companies and any people over here because I have to maintain privacy, but they are designing full big pitch decks, presentations, social media work as a UI UX design intern in their company. And I asked them, why are you doing this? They said, hey, my product designer told me, as a senior product designer, my manager told me that please work on this, and if you do so with your internship stipend that you have, say for example, I tell you what the main average price ranges up from across approximately 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees INR. And if you are in this domain and you are doing work worth over a lakh, my friend, please, you need to raise your voice. Point number 2, most startups use these interns as clutch hires. Let's be honest, most of the startups are hiring interns because they cannot afford real designers, and they love the term that, hey, we are 2 co-founders and a specific senior designer might be in your company and let's hire 5 interns, right? And you being the intern, what you are doing is you're doing a lot of work, and every single work that a designer should do in the company, obviously, but you are getting only paid for one role where the company is making you do 5-6 roles of a designer, right? There are so many roles. There is brand design, there is UI UX, there is so many other things like visual, then even illustrations, all of that, and you do it because you want to volunteer for sure, but you want to get paid much more, right? They say it as learning experience, but in turn your work is never getting that limelight that it requires and it deserves. Point number 3, the experience doesn't translate to real growth. What do I mean by this is basically in these internships you should be getting the experiences on the main UX work of the company, right? You should be taught how to do stakeholder management and actual career skills that you will actually write on LinkedIn after completing the internship, right? And when you leave, they don't give you any referrals anywhere, and not even like contributions in the case studies. What I mean by this is you are making a lot of case studies for these startups that you're working for as an intern, but they don't give you credibility on their own LinkedIn pages or even the company pages by whom this case study is designed by. Think about it. A very harsh truth. If you're not learning strategy, systems, or how to think, you're not an intern, you are just a temporary employee. So how to not get scammed here, Vansh? What can we do to actually test when we are giving the interview for this internship? What one question should you ask? So this is a sort of litmus test for the person who is taking your interview. It mostly will be the senior designer who will be becoming your manager, with maybe the founder as well on the call, right? This is what you should ask. What exactly will I be mentored on, and who will do that? After asking all the main questions, all the nitty-gritties, when you ask this question, they will have to answer who will be the exact person, the ex person of the company who is an official employee working with a long term contract with the company will be mentoring me, and you obviously will check what the work they have done, right? If they dodge the question, it's time for you to leave the call immediately. I mean, not immediately, after the interview ends, just tell them you're not interested. Obviously, internships are supposed to be launchpad, not a trapdoor. Please start to get familiar about all of these things. Please become aware about all of these things, because it's very important for you as a designer to not be played, because you need to value your art, whatever you're going to be creating. And comment down whatever thing that have happened without mentioning a company, please, if this has happened to you. If we cross, say for example, 60 to 70 more comments on just their stories of designers just talking about what scam they went through, we would want to know, and we would want to investigate this even more, and even bring the official Indian government into this to stop this for once and for all. I have this power in my hand as a community lead to actually show the reality of these companies, and when this goes legal, all of these company names will be revealed, and you, my friend, will be very, very shocked. Stay alert, stay creative, keep designing, and never lose the grind. Cheers.